Hello, all. Hope you are all doing well in this pandemic. So today we are going to discuss about the very expected and very excited car for which the many Indians are waiting, the most cheapest SUV in the segment. So that is, yes, the Tata HBX. So before going to discuss, so if you are not still subscribed to our channel, so please do subscribe and click on the bell icon to get the notifications. So what we are waiting for, so let's get into the Tata HBX. So as we are all knowing, this car is launched from the Tata Motors, and coming to the platform, it's built up on the Alpha platform on which the Tata Altroz is made, the Impact 2.0 design, and the build quality we are expecting to be as good as the Tata Altroz. So this is all about the platform and the this thing. So let's go to the front side of the car now. So if you can see, we can see the massive headlamp and the DRL of the car. So won't you think it's similar to the Harrier and the Nexon? Yes, it's a mixture of the Harrier and the Nexon. So you can see the front LED DRLs here, and the front headlamp followed by the fog lamps. So based on the variants, you will get the fog lamps and the headlamps. So coming to the side view, you can see the massive bulky side view of the Tata HBX. So the alloy wheels is expected to be 15 to 16 inches of alloy wheels, and you can see the door is 90-degree opening, the same as Altroz. So and the back door is also they're not giving the door handles at the front, so they are giving the same as the Altroz here. So and also you can see in the production they have given the carrier, but I don't think the carriers will be there once they launch the car. So it comes in the external accessories. You can check the roof rails, and coming to the back side, so you can see the triangular tail lamps, which we can say the signature of the Tata Motors it has become now. So and in the back side there will be a sensor followed by a back camera. And the most exciting thing about today's video is we have got a post production pic of a Tata HBX. So there you can see the car how it looks. They have made that in the blue color, and the diamond cut alloy wheels looks really very chunky or very beautiful, I can say. And this is all about, and the backside also I have put some pics, so you can refer. So I think we have covered all the outer points. So what you're waiting for? Let's get into the interior of the car. So here, what is the steering you are looking on the pic is similar to Altroz. So you can see the Rhino logo there. Coming to the steering mounted controls, on the left side it will be audio mounted controls, and on the right side you can see the cruise control. And coming to the infotainment system, you can see the 8-inch touchscreen, which is having a Apple Auto CarPlay, and you can see some AC vents also. And what you're seeing in the pic is a manual gear shifting. It's expected to be having a manual followed by the automatic and the CVT. So we have to see the specifications once the car is launched. So apart from that, it's expected the Tata to give some coolant also in the front. So this is some of the complete detail I can say about the interiors. So coming to the engine specifications, we don't think Tata will be leaving the diesel variant here. So the 1.2 liter petrol engine will be available, so which can produce horsepower somewhere between 83 to 87 bhp. And in the future, the Tata may launch the turbo petrol engine based on the customer demands. So last but not the least, so coming to the price, this I can say it's the most cheapest affordable SUV or the micro SUV I can say in the segment which the Tata Motors is launching. So the base variant will be somewhere, it can start around 4.5 to 5 lakhs, the XE variant, and the topmost variant will be somewhere between 9 to 9.5 lakhs, we can say. So this is all about the Tata HBX, guys. Stay tuned.